Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can download the Google Chat app on your iPhone. So select the app section here, then I'm going to go to the search button, select the search bar here, and you are just going to type in Google Chat. Then here you're just going to hit the install button, and that is how you can install the Google Chat app on your iPhone. As simple as that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.